Hello everyone, this is Desi, and in this video I want to talk to you about our new DCWP or DCA features. So if you live in New York, you are aware of the changes that will be implemented on March 1st, and some of those changes had to do with address changes, how they export, and things like that. So we had to create a new application for it to remain compliant. And so now when you log in into dbsinfo.com to go into your DCA logs, you will be taken to a different page. So when you are in here and you click on Go Now to access server logbooks and GPS logs, it's going to take you now to this site right here. So from here, very self-explanatory. Here are your GPS logs. You know, everything stayed the same as kind of like dbsinfo.com. Here are your process servers. You do your time range. I'm going to go ahead and put myself here. Here you can update results, and then you get results of, you know, that time range of any attempts or service made. So what's different in this thing has to do with this: use standard address. So this is a feature that will break down the addresses into the 5 fields that are required when you download the export. So when you are on the GPS logs and you do your date range, you're going to see your results here. You're going to see this little icon. If it's blue like this, everything is good. The address broke down the way that it needed to automatically. However, if you see a little triangle like this, that means it did not break down. So you must do it manually. And I'm going to show you that in a moment on how to do that. As far as server logbooks, same thing. Everything stayed the same. Here you can do your date ranges, the process server. If you have multiple companies or multiple databases with PST, you can select whichever one you're in. And then same thing, here's the use standard address. So if you uncheck this, your export will be the regular way. It will be just the address line 1, address line 2, I believe is city and zip code, and that's it. When you have this checked, which is defaulted to be checked, it will export the address into the 5 fields that it needs: the building number, the street, the apartment, the city, and then the zip code. So that's the part that is new. Here, your server logbooks, like I said, you can you can select your server. I'm gonna go ahead and do update results, and nothing here changed. Everything stayed the same. You can see the logbook, or you can edit it, or you know, and you can export it as well. So download CSV. Another new feature that we had to implement was the ability of you having an interactive map. So if I click right here, you can see the interactive map, and you are able to print it as well. So that is one of the things that was also in the rules that we were not compliant about, and now we are. So that's pretty much it for GPS logbooks and server logbooks. Now, there is this new option here, standard address audit. So you as an agency, you will want to come in here from, you know, often to ensure that you don't have any addresses that you need to break down manually. So like I said, you can update results. If you have it under all, it's just going to give you, you know, everything for such date range. And then if you have that triangle like this, you have to break it down. You can narrow this down to just be the addresses that are missing. So that way you don't have to see the ones that, you know, don't need your attention. So what you would do is click here. This window's going to pop up. You're going to go ahead and click at new. And then you're going to break down the address manually. Test road. This would be for any, you know, apartments. Once you accept that, go back into it, check right there, and hit accept. and then it is gone. So that's how you audit your addresses and make sure that they're broken down properly. So that's pretty much it regarding this feature. If you guys have any questions regarding this, how it works, or any concerns, call support. We're here to help you. And as always, have a happy PSD day.